A true one of a kind. A market envy. 3 bedrooms plus a standard BQ. There's never been anything like it. Welcome to the Novare Series 2 3-bedroom terrace. Starting off with my favorite place in the house. Because this is where family happens, where memories are made and moments are created. And this door here gives you a beautiful nighttime or daytime memory with your children, while also leading out into the terrace. Worth it. With 3 bedrooms, each designed to be comfortable and functional. They all have bathrooms en suite and closet areas, while the master bedroom has a designed closet space, a floating soaking tub, and a door that leads out to a terrace. The master bedroom has everything to be desired. This residence has been expertly designed, and based on your preference, you can have all of these fittings come with your home. It's a truly special home. We designed this building to be exquisite, an architectural work of art with a layout that is perfect for the right family home. The expense and the proportion is designed to perfection. And this door right by the dining area allows for a beautiful view and a warm ray of sunlight. And this kitchen has enough space, and all of the fittings here are top of the line, from the appliances to the countertop and the pantry space. It has great ventilation and a door that leads out into the courtyard, where you can either read a book in the open or just have some barbecue seasoning here on the grill, or enjoy your garden and make this place a beautiful, home farm.